Welcome to Neon Steps, where self-improvement meets storytelling. Here we transform powerful life lessons into captivating neon-lit stories that inspire, entertain, and uplift audiences of all ages. Grow stronger. Think brighter. Take the next step. Subscribe and start your journey with Neon Steps. Have you ever tried something new and totally messed up? Maybe your first drawing looked like a big ol' scribble, or your first song sounded like a cat on a keyboard. Well, guess what? That's how all great things begin. In today's story, we'll meet Lily, a young artist who thinks her paintings should be perfect right away. But with the help of her wise grandpa, she's about to learn a powerful lesson. It's not about being perfect, it's about getting better, step by step. Step by Step, I'll Get It Yet is a story about trying, failing, learning, and growing. So are you ready? Let's dive in. Step by Step, I'll Get It Yet. Progress over perfection. Lily grabbed her brush to paint, tried to draw, but oh, it ain't. Crooked lines and splotchy skies. Ugh, my painting's full of cries. She sighed and frowned, threw down her brush. I'll never paint, I'm in a rush. But Grandpa chuckled, shook his head. Listen close to what I said. The best aren't born, no, not at all. They practice first, both big and small. A wobbly start is just the way to grow and learn a bit each day. Lily sighed but picked it up, dipped her brush into her cup. Her clouds still swirled, her lines still bent, but Grandpa clapped. That's progress, Lily smiled, and away she went. Day by day she tried once more. Little lessons filled her core. Her trees stood tall, her rivers flowed, her skies were bright, her flowers glowed. Then one day at last she beamed. Her painting looked just like she dreamed. Not perfect yet, but clear to see. It's better now, progress is key. You see, my dear, now what did I say? A little work goes a long, long way. Perfection is not the thing to chase. Just do your best and keep up the pace. So if you stumble, don't feel blue. Each small step brings something new. Mistakes don't mean you should say no. Practice makes progress. That's how we grow. Here is a fun fact you may not have known. Did you know that the artist Van Gogh created over 900 paintings, but only sold one in his lifetime? J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times before publishing Harry Potter. So success isn't about being perfect, it's about progress. Every mistake, every retry, and every lesson makes you better than before. So keep going. Your masterpiece is in the making. Here's a quote by Vincent van Gogh. Great things are done by a series of small things brought together. Thank you for growing with me today. I'm so grateful you joined me on this journey of learning and growth. I hope this story reminds you that success isn't about being perfect. It's about progress. Every mistake, every retry, and every lesson brings you closer to something amazing. Keep believing in yourself, keep growing, and most importantly, keep being the incredible person you already are.